Part two. Sorry, the commercial cleaning industry is a $90 billion a year industry. All right, so I've been in it since college. I got started with Jani-King. That was my first commercial cleaning franchise. All right, if you want to know whether you should start an organic cleaning business or a franchise, definitely hit me up, inbox me, email me at timthemotivator@gmail.com. I can give you the scoop on both ends, from franchisee or organic. So I own two commercial cleaning franchises. My first one at 21, second one at 25. Then I started launching organic businesses. And this is the reason why. And like I said, this is a continuation from part one. Sorry, these are more check stubs for my then cleaning company, AP Cleaning Service, in which I was doing about 400 something thousand a year. And only working probably about 15 hours a week, because I basically teach the game. So I teach you how to grow your business, how to get subcontractors, how to link up with management companies, so on.